now we do a mini project, phone number and email address extractor. This extracts the phone number and email text. Okay, phone number and email address which is available in the text. The steps followed for this mini project is, first step to create a regular expression for phone number. Okay, and creation of regular expression for phone number already explained in the previous class. Next step is creation of regular expression for email address. Okay, this step I have to explain. Okay, now here to create regular expression for email address, first this triple single quotes are used to wrap the regular expression in different lines. Now in the bracket, in the square bracket, okay, there is A to Z small, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, and then dot, okay, then underscore, percentage, plus, minus. This much characters are allowed in the email address which is having one or more. Okay, these many characters, one or more, plus for one or more. The email address username can contain A to Z alphabet, 0 to 9 digit. It can contain dot, it can contain underscore, it can contain percentage, plus sign, minus sign. Okay, this is the pattern for checking username. Okay, plus indicates one or more character. Next, there should be at the rate. Okay, the user separator between the username and domain name is at the rate, and domain name can contain A to Z small letter, A to Z capital letter, 0 to 9 digit, then dot, and then hyphen. Okay, domain name contain this many characters, one or more set of characters. You can see here hyphen also supported in the domain name. Okay, this is for domain name. Next, after domain name there will be dot. Okay, therefore backslash dot. Okay, backslash dot. After dot there will be A to Z, capital A to Z. Okay, 2 to 4 characters, 2 to 3 characters. Okay, either 2 characters or 3 characters excluding 4, indicates com, in, like that. Okay, A to Z only alphabets. Okay, or in, dot in. Okay, after dot com, dot in. Okay, it's supported only 3 characters. Okay, minimum 2, maximum 3. Okay, and then re dot verbose manages this complex regular expression which is in the multiple line. Okay, this is the pattern for regular expression. Pattern in the regular expression for checking the email address. Now we see the entire program in the Jupyter notebook. Okay, I have stored a text with my information, and this text contain email address as well as phone number. Okay, there is email address as well as telephone number with the extension number, as well as it contain some other text also. Okay, and now regular expression you are going to compile is first for telephone number. As I already explained in the previous class, for telephone number regular expression, first there should be 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits or 3 digits are optional. Okay, now here no need to give this once again, because if you give backslash d 3, backslash d3, backslash d3 with the question mark, backslash d3 with the question mark supports the first 3 digits whether it exists or does not exist. Area code may exist or does not exist. The area code is optional here. Okay, therefore it's given question mark. It's given question mark. First 3 digits. And next, backslash s indicates hyphen. After 3-digit area code, there may be single space or hyphen or dot as the separator. Okay, question mark gives optional. If it is not contain space, hyphen or dot, then also it is allowed. Next, 3 digits are telephone number part. Okay, and after 3 digits, once again space, hyphen or space or hyphen or dot. Okay, this pipe indicates or. And next there will be 4 digits in the telephone number. Okay, there should be 4 digits. Last 4 digits has to be there. After last 4 digits, there can be single space or multiple space, S star, backslash S star, 0 or more space. And there can be text EXT or X or EXT dot. Afterwards, there can be 0 or more space. After the space, there should be extension number, backslash D for digit, minimum 2 extension number or 3 or 4. Okay, maximum 4 extension number. 2, 5 indicates minimum 2, maximum 5 extension number, maximum 4. Maximum 4 extension numbers are allowed. Okay, if we are giving EXT. Okay, if you are giving EXT, after 0 or more space, this extension name or this part is optional. Without extension name also, telephone number pattern is allowed. Okay, re.verbose manages this regular expression, multi-line regular expression. Okay, now this is about email regular expression. I already explained email regular expression. Okay, because email can contain username A to Z with the special characters dot underscore percentage plus minus with 1 or more characters. And next, after username there can be @ or there can be @ symbol. Okay, after username there can be @ symbol. And next, domain name can contain alphabet A to Z or 0 to 9, then dot hyphen. Okay, 1 or more characters, plus indicates 1 or more characters. Afterwards, after dot there can be com, there can be in, like that. Okay, that is indicated by A to Z, capital or small. Okay, a minimum 2, maximum 3 characters. This much is regular expression for pattern checking of email. Okay, it finds the email pattern. Okay, for extraction of email. Once the regular expressions are stored, now there is a matches list which is stored empty. Okay, initially matches list having empty. Okay, now this for loop. Okay, for groups in phone rejects dot find all text. You know, regular expression has to be use find all method in the given text and result is stored in the groups as list. Okay, see, result is stored in the list and from that list groups extracts 1 by 1 extracted content from the list. Now the 1 by 1 extracted content from the list are joined in the phone number variable. For the purpose, the joining character is hyphen. Okay, it joins groups 1, groups 3 and groups 5. Now this joins the results from groups of 1. You know that groups of 0 matches for entire found text, but from that we are interested in first match, that is nothing but in the telephone number first 3 digits 234, like that. And next, after hyphen, next extracted content is group 3. Groups of 3 is nothing but next 3 digits, because hyphen is groups of 2. Okay, this is groups of 3 and this is groups of 4 in the extracted result. Groups of 0 for entire extracted result. This is groups of 1, this is groups of 2, hyphen is groups of 2, 673 is groups of 3, and once again hyphen is groups of 4, 7988 is groups of 5. Therefore here it's joining groups of 1, that is 234, comma groups of 3, that is 673, and groups of 5, that is 7988, with the help of hyphen. Once it joined these contents in the telephone number, next thing is to join extension number. We know that extracted contents of extension number is stored in the groups of 8. Okay, before joining the extension number, we are going to join space, then X here. Space and X are joined. Okay, if there is extension number. If groups of 8 not equal to blank, means if we are given extension number, then only it joins that groups of 8 with the X in this form. Okay, thus whatever telephone number is stored in the phone number is appended to the matches list. It is appended to the matches list. Okay, next, for extracted email, for extraction of email, we already written the regular expression for email by using email regex. It is stored in the email regex. Now that email need to be found by using find all method in the text. And here also once again there is groups variable. Okay, for groups in email the regex dot find all. For each groups you are going to append to matches, because groups of 0 matches or groups of 0 gives all extracted content. All extracted contents means entire email address is appended to matches list. Then we are going to print. If you see, if you run this program, then from the given text it extracts only telephone number and email address. Okay, first it displays telephone number because first I have stored a phone number in the matches list, then it adds email address because next I appended email address. Okay, even though I have given email address at the beginning and telephone number at the end of the text, okay, with the extension number, it matches both telephone number as well as email address which is given in the regular expression properly and prints. Like that in the big text you can find for person's telephone number and email address from a huge text. This project is very useful to extract telephone number and email address which is stored in the text.